These 7 projects we've shared represent the effort and spirit of one small central Idaho community. Now let's see how greenhouse gases were actually reduced and what it might mean if there were more projects like these.
These are the final results of the 3-year Hailey Community Climate Challenge program that's now coming to a close. For the Green Building Demonstration Project, we reduced 5.3 metric tons CO2 equivalent with reductions ongoing. For the LED streetlight retrofit program, we reduced 10 metric tons of CO2 equivalent with ongoing reductions.
We actually had about 70 lights we were hoping to be able to replace, but when the bids came in, we were able to do 52. Every little bit helps, and we are seeing a reduction.
For the construction recycling pilot program, we reduced 99 metric tons of CO2 equivalent a year.
We weren't sure if they'd save money or have to spend money to recycle more. In fact, every one of them saved.
For the deconstruction and material salvage program, we reduced 38 metric tons of CO2 equivalent a year.
And then the last workshop we did was chicken coop construction. Some of the people in Hailey may not like us too much if they hear roosters in the background.
For bike share, we reduced 0.41 metric tons of CO2 equivalent in the 2013 bike share season.
We calculated there were about 184 users. The average length of the trips were about a half a mile, and that's pretty much what we predicted. We are getting 22 more bikes, and we're going to extend its use through the entire community.
For the Save a Watt and Renewable Energy Rebate Program, there were a total of 71 audits and retrofits. We reduced 83.04 metric tons CO2 equivalent a year, and that's an ongoing reduction obviously, and 20.57 metric tons CO2 equivalent a year for the Renewable Energy Rebate Program.
We had 3 reusable bag workshops, artist competition, the bag design competition, designing these bags, and distributed over 4,000 reusable bags, and still, when you're in the stores, you'll see them.
We reduced 0.4 metric tons CO2 equivalent.
If they can remember them, put them in your car, put them in your pockets. It's the gateway drug to waste. Don't do it anymore.
The ERC helped us immensely in getting the word out.
As an organization, we've been thrilled to be a part of this because that's our mission, is education.
So the goal was 138.83 metric tons of CO2 a year, and we have the big reveal, didn't get to do my drum roll, is we've more than doubled the goal. 284.17 metric tons of CO2 equivalent a year reduction. If we were to extrapolate those same results found in Hailey to the entire state of Idaho, we would see a reduction per year of 57,255. And then if we took that even bigger and looked at the entire US, what would that mean? And we're looking at just over 11 million metric tons of CO2 equivalent a year. While we're a small town and the results may be considered insignificant, if something like this were to be done in other communities across the nation, the impact could be quite large. So we did it!
There are many ways to reduce greenhouse gases, from the way our industries work, to the way we travel, to the way we go about our daily lives. If Hailey's Community Climate Challenge proves one thing, it's that small changes in attitude and behavior do make a difference. With perseverance, we can mitigate climate change and help provide a safer, more prosperous future. Let's make it a priority. Together, we can make a difference.